Tragedy in New Mexico. Teenager gives birth. Hides evidence. The senior year of high school is supposed to be an exciting time in any person's life. It's a time filled with experiences we are supposed to remember for the rest of our lives. It symbolizes growth, a transitioning from children into adults who will enter the world and do great things. This is 19-year-old Alexi Trevizo, a senior at Artesia High School in Artesia, New Mexico. Known for being both an excellent student and cheerleader, Alexi seemed like she was on the right track to a wholesome, fulfilling life. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Due to a lie that got out of hand, her life's trajectory has been forever changed. She won't be having the ideal senior year experience. She took that, as well as her promising future, and threw it in the garbage, literally. On January 27, 2023, Trevizo was taken to Artesia General Hospital by her mother, Rosa Rodriguez. The purpose of the visit was extreme back pain, a chronic illness Trevizo has unfortunately suffered since childhood. However, what was initially intended to be a run-of-the-mill hospital visit became anything but. After being admitted to the emergency room, Trevizo was asked a standard array of questions in order to gauge what was ailing her. Among those questions was, "Are you pregnant?" Trevizo adamantly denied being pregnant, just as she had spent the previous several months doing. As a cheerleader at Artesia High, Trevizo's body changes began to draw suspicion. As her classmates noticed, they began asking questions and drawing their own conclusions. However, she was able to dispel their suspicions by stating she was on birth control, providing a reason for both her sudden weight gain and the impossibility of her being pregnant. Despite her denial, the hospital conducted a lab test that would eventually return with an undeniable rebuttal to her claims, and true confirmation that Alexi Trevizo was, in fact, pregnant. She still insisted that she was not pregnant, and couldn't be since she was not sexually active. Unfortunately, her lie was not addressed in time.